Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we have to solve another question from O-level mathematics, past paper November 2022, and this is paper 2. Question number 8 is about the linear equations and algebra, simplification of equations. Question number 8 part 1 is simplify 6v plus 3w minus 5w minus 5v. So this is, we have to simplify this. Is 6v minus 3w plus 3w minus 5w minus v. This is part A of question number 8, paper 2, November 2022. We have to simplify it. So it is very easy. The v will be added with v or subtracted, and w will be with w. 6v minus v will be equal to 5v. When you have same variable, then the coefficients, these are coefficient 1, so 6 minus 1 is 5. Simply 3w minus 5w, they are different sign, so we subtract 3 minus 5 is 2, and bigger number is minus, so is minus sign will be here, so we get minus 2w. So this is the answer of part A. And part B is solve 5x minus 7 is equal to 10. This is the part B of question number 8, November 2022, paper 2. We have to solve it. It's simple linear equation. The term independent of x will be on the one side, so 5 will be shifted here, it will become 7 will be shifted here, it will become positive, so this will become 5x is equal to 10 plus 7, because it is minus here, minus shifted to other side, it will become positive, so 10 plus 7 is 17, so we get 5x is equal to 17, or when we shift it here, it will become x is equal to 17 over 5. 5 is being multiplied here, when it will shift to the right hand side, we divide it. So we have to divide 17 by 5. Put 17 inside and we divide by 5, or you can use the calculator, because it's paper 2 question, you can use calculator. 5 3 is 15. 2 point is here, so 5 4 is 20. So answer will be, you can write it 3 whole 2 over 5, or you can write it 3.4. Both answers are correct. This answer or this answer, even this answer is correct. So this is how you solve the simple linear equations. Part C is we have to C part 1 is we have to simplify a multiplied by a multiplied by a square. When we have same base, then while multiplying, their powers or indices are added. So we add these indices, is a into a square. So here it is power, this power is 1, this power is 1, this is 2. So when you multiplied it, these powers will be added, you get a raised to the power 1 plus 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So answer will be a power 4. This is first part. When this is the two same bases division, when division powers are subtracted, so it becomes 3 minus 5. So this will be written as b raised to the power 3 minus 5 is minus 2. You can write it like that. If you want to make positive, then when you take reciprocal, the sign of power is reversed. So it will be 1 over b and power will become positive. So 1 over b square will be the answer of this question. D part. So D part is r is equal to 4p minus 3t. Question is find the value of r when p is 7 and t is minus 5. So put the values of p and t here. We put p 7, so we get r is equal to 4 into 7 minus 3 and t is minus 5, so put minus 5 here. Now 4 7s are 28 and minus minus plus 3 5s are 15, so we get r is equal to 28 plus 15, and 28 plus 15 is 43, so r is equal to 43. This is the answer of part 1. Part B is rearrange the formula to make P the subject of. So second part of this question is we have to make P the subject of formula. We have to make P the subject of formula. The given formula is r is equal to 4p minus 3t. So terms independent of p will be on the one side. There is no p here, so this will be shifted here. When you shift here, it will become plus, so become r plus 3t is equal to 4p. Now we have to solve it. I solve it here for you. We can write it 4p is equal to r plus 3t. Now we have to find p, so this 4 should be shifted here. When we shift it here, it will be divided, so we'll get p is equal to r plus 3t whole divided by 4. We have made p the subject of formula, so this is the answer of second part of D. E part is solve the equation 5x square plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, and it is given written in the question that show all your working and give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So this is a quadratic equation in X. If you compare it with the standard form, we get a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 6. This is the standard form of and you compare it with the standard form of the quadratic equation, we get the coefficients a, b, c equal to this. Then we have a quadratic formula that x is equal to minus b plus minus under the root sign b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Put the values, so we get x is equal to minus b. B is what? B is 3, so put 3 here. Similarly, plus minus under the root sign b square, it means 3 square minus 4a. A is 5, so put 5 here. C is minus 6, so put 6 here. Over 2a, over 2 into a is 5. We will simplify it. So we get x is equal to minus 3 plus minus under the root sign b square. 3 square is 9. This is minus minus plus. So 5 4 5 is 20. 26 is 120 divided by 10. Or you can write it x is equal to minus 3 plus minus under the root sign 129 over 10. So this is the final form of the expression. we have to simplify it. How to simplify it? No, this is plus minus, so once we write it with plus and once with minus. So we got plus under root 129 over 10. Our second option is x is equal to minus 3 minus under the root sign 129 whole divided by 10. This is second option. So these are two expressions we have to evaluate. In order to evaluate this, we need to find the under root of 129. When you take the under root of 129 is 11.4 up to 3 significant figures, we write minus 3 plus 11.4 over 10. On this side we can write minus 3 minus 11.4 over 10. Now 11.4 minus 3 will become 8.4. So get x is equal to 8.4 divided by 10. Or you can write 11.36 if you want to write 11.36. Then this will become 8.358 or 11.36, or you write it 3.1136. This will become x equal to minus 14.36 over 10. Then when we divide this by 11.358, this will become 11.36. When we divide it, or 358, and divided by 10, this will become 0. When we divide some number by 10, then the decimal point is shifted one place to the left, so it will become 0.836. This is one answer up to 3 significant figure. And similarly on this side, this can be written as, when we divide by 10, it will become, if there, it will become minus 1.436. And if you want to write it up to 3 significant figure, you drop this 6 and this will become 4. So this will become minus 1.44. So this is the second option. So x can be 0.836 or x is equal to minus 1.44, or two answers correct to 3 significant figures. So this completes this question number 8, and this completes our video for today. In next video, inshallah, we will solve question number 9 from the November 2022 paper 2 of 4 mathematics, O-level mathematics 4024. So stay tuned to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel until now, please subscribe it, and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification of my coming videos. So take care. See you in next video very soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz.